Now also, I am going to work fairly strategically today. You see, I'm gonna dig all this around there, and that's gonna take me a little bit of time. But since I'm still not too tired, I'm still gonna keep working, concentrate on this bunch right here. Okay, then for me to take a rest, I can come back and just start cleaning this up, moving these rocks, cleaning everything around there, pushing that over, piling that up, making sure this is all cleaned up a little bit, and that's my rest period before I start shoveling some more. Okay, that's all. I can be working out here for the next 4 hours. I'm never gonna sit for a half hour. Oh yeah, I have to take a break, or I have to take a water break. Get a water bottle out here and rest as you're still working, doing little menial stuff around, instead of lifting your buckets and carrying them over there. That, I can only do that so long before I need to take a rest from that. As I'm taking a rest, I'm cleaning this stuff up, I'm getting rid of the weeds or the roots. I can look through here and dig through and sift through and get some more of those roots out of there if I want. Clean up around here. You see what I mean? Have a little game plan as you go.